Ever wondered, who's more creative, introverts or extroverts? Like intelligence, creativity spans visual arts, storytelling, and music. But does personality truly influence creative prowess? Let's delve into the debate and uncover the truth. Firstly, let's distinguish between solitude and loneliness. While loneliness is rising, driven by social media's impact on self-esteem, solitude offers distinct benefits. It isn't about physical isolation, but rather the choice to disconnect from others without feeling disconnected internally. Solitude is particularly vital for introverts who can be overstimulated by their surroundings. Psychologist Mihai Csikszentmihalyi found that teens comfortable with solitude exhibit higher levels of creative thinking. Similarly, researcher Reed Larson noted that embracing solitude reduces self-consciousness, fostering creativity. Psychologist Esther Buchholz emphasizes that solitude aids problem-solving by allowing individuals to confront emotions directly. This introspective process, while challenging, yields profound insights essential for creative breakthroughs. Many artists and writers, like Steve Wozniak, prefer solitude for its conducive environment to innovate and create freely. However, extroverts bring a different dynamic to creativity. Their strength lies in collaborative settings, excelling in group brainstorming sessions and turning ideas into actionable plans. They thrive on interaction and thrive in environments that stimulate continuous dialogue and engagement. In essence, creativity isn't strictly tied to introversion or extroversion. Mihai Csikszentmihalyi suggests that creative individuals embody both traits, adapting as needed. They draw inspiration from others while valuing solitary moments for deep reflection and idea cultivation. So, are you more introverted, extroverted, or a blend of both? What's your creative process? Share your thoughts with us in the comments.